Hi everyone, thanks for checking out Aoonuauto door seal. I'm going to do a simple unbox and review video for Aoonuauto LED door seal. After receiving the LED door seal, you will find a bouncing rectangular package which contains all the parts of LED door seal. So how to open it, we're going to use a knife or something sharp. Open it from left side or right side. Depends on your personal favorite, so I'm going to cut it off from left side. You see the interior of the LED door seal package which contains everything for the LED door seal inside. So that's the everything for the LED door seal. First I'm going to introduce is the LED door seal itself. It is covering 2 or 4, 2 front doors or 2 front and 2 rear doors. Depends on the quantity you've been select for your orders. And then it is the backup wire. It is used for extending the existing wire of the LED door seal. If you think the wire doesn't long enough or you want to connect to some different location, then you can use those wires to connect the existing wires. And more to the left, we have the installation guide. It has some instructions for your installation. I'm sure this will help you understand how to do the wiring. And then more to the follow, you have the tool that will help you do the installation. This is how the door seal looks like when you're receiving the door seal. It has wire film on it. To be able to see the logo, you need to tear off the wire film, and this is how your door seal is actually look like. And this door seal is made up of fabric. This is how it looks like when it doesn't line up. And more to the left, we're going to show you how this looks like when we actually line it. So this is the lighting effect for the LED door seal when powering up. It has 7 different colors which you can find on your favorite color on our website. And the lighting effect itself is very cool, very fancy, very bright. When it comes to downlight, it is even more brighter and cooler. That's all for the product introduction for Aoonuauto LED door seal. But don't close the video yet. We have the more lighting effect at the end of the video.